Welcome to the Crypto Nest. You can see that on the crypto bubbles, yeah, I mean, everything is green today. It's a very good day for Avalanche. Tau also 10%. Render, it's fighting. Rune 10%. Yeah, Popcat, that's the new meme coin. And Fetch 14%, very good. Sui 18%. I need to go and check that. Yeah, so we have a lot of revival in the market. Let me see here. Fear and greed. I think we were like 34 last time I checked or something like that. We are 34, is it still? Come on. 34, yesterday we were 39, last week 25. Okay, fine. Fine with that. Okay, so Bitcoin. You remember last time, last video I did, I was saying, Bitcoin has to decide is it going to break to the upside or downside, or perhaps just piss off everybody, just go straight on the side. Actually, it's between, right? Because it did cross slightly, and it's not doing something substantial, but I would say it's fighting the level of the MA50. It's fine with me, honestly, if we can continue to do that. I kind of going on the side, right? It's like going on the side here, pretty much here, like so. So if we can continue a little bit more, well, unfortunately, I'm pretty much sure it's going to continue to do that during the weekend. Maybe today, before the end of the day, is going to try to, challenge the MA 200. We shall see. Yeah, we did a dead cross here, but it's not that dramatic. Maybe, if price keep going higher, yeah, we're going to eventually make, I mean, a golden cross soon, right? Yeah, my drawing are very good, but I'm expecting a golden cross imminently, because I am expecting Bitcoin to finally, reach higher levels in price. I think correction, to me, I think I would say, I don't know, 90% it's done. To me, was it the 5th of July? 4th or 5th? To me, this was the fourth wave there. I don't have any reason to doubt for the moment, unless we're not able to continue the momentum. So until we don't break this trend line, I'm fine with that. Now it's challenging MA50, MA200, fine also. You can have a pullback, no problem, but yeah, for sure, eventually we will have to just make a fib retracement. Let me do it now. Something like that. So until we don't go below, I would say, 54,000, I'm still super bullish, and that could be a 1, a 2. Now we could be working on the third wave, and it could be just a 1, a messy one if you scale out a little bit, but very, very, yeah, for the moment it's looking good. Cannot complain. Also, Avalanche, was it this one? Yeah, I think so. Maybe not. I have one more. Oh yeah, this one. All right, so let me go maybe on the daily just to do a quick recap. So in my opinion, we had previous cycle wave 1, now correction wave 2, and yeah, this year, well, actually last year, 2023, we can count 5 way up, which yeah, we did our first wave 1 for this allegedly third wave that we're going to make in this cycle. We had an A, a B, and a C, so that check for that. We also reached pretty much the ideal retracement, the 0.618 at 1869. We went a little bit below. Also, I did the ratio wave A to wave C. So, I mean, this is A, B, C. So, A, I add that to the B, and it was 16 1862 here, and yeah, we on the day that we wick momentarily below, we did reach those levels. I did start a leverage on that, and now I'm happy, and it just started. So are we officially out of the woods? Not at all. Maybe this is the beginning, who knows. Now, as you can see, we have two touching point on this downtrend line. So this is a little bit, it's a weak trend like, and we are about to reach and see if we can challenge it. Is it going to, act as a resistance and get rejected, or we're going to go higher? Now, I guess I didn't. I should have. Let me see that. Okay, so we start here. I can count, if I do micro counting, this as a wave 1, maybe this was a wave 2, and now we're doing the wave 3, and eventually wave 4 and a 5, and all that once again is going to be a wave 1. Now, I did the fib extension, so maybe I should put this in yellow. All right, so I'm going to move this little guy here. So minimally, we want to see 28.82 for the third wave. Ideally, $30.74 or even higher. And yeah, so we're on a good path for the moment. Let me go on the 4 hours now so we can see a little bit better. So yeah, once again, if I just zoom out, I just see an ABC, so I need to be careful. So diagonal, maybe now this price is going to get rejected at this level, and we're going to see because we had an ABC here, very possible we're going to have an A, a B, and a C. Let's see how it works out. Are we going to just have a very impulsive move up to the 1.38 or 1.618? Who knows? We shall see soon. And once again, yeah, the trend is here, so we're going to face some resistance about at 27.50. Let's see how it's going to act with that. Now, for the moment, it's looking good, and it's kind of accumulating on the side. Let me go and check the fibs. Okay, so stock RSI, it's ready to go. The RSI is chilling out a little bit on the 1 hour. Let me see on the 4 hours. Yeah, so it can stay a little bit longer. So ideally we go a little bit higher, and after the RSI's rest, let me go on the 12 hours to see. Yeah, so RSI's on the 12 hours just got in the level of overbought. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to yeah, 28.82. It has to be the must to go level, unless we are doing this ABC. So it wouldn't be that dramatic if we don't reach the 1.38 right away. And it means we're going to do an A, a B, and a C. So that gives us a chance maybe to reach the 1.618 or even higher. But the only thing is diagonal are not very reliable, so we need to be careful with that. And I know it's easy now to kind of jump the gun. And I mean, 3 days ago, I think Lido was at $1, not even. And now it's like, yeah, it's went up what, 25% in 4 or 5 days. But is it the time to go in? I'm not sure. It's a little bit premature. We only have allegedly a 1 and a 2, and now it's doing something. For sure, a 143, 144 is going to be challenged by the MA50. And yeah, we have a death cross here as well. Gala also, it's looking good for the moment, but I mean, zoom out and just draw a trend line. We are not challenging the long-term downtrend, okay? So we are far from there. You need to do the double. I mean not double, but almost. You need to go up 50% almost to reach that level, and then we shall see, honestly. So I know some, like my friends, they call me, they text me, oh my gosh, should I get in? Should I get in? I mean, this is FOMO now. And it depends how strong your mental is. Because this could be a 1, a 2, and then we're going to have a 3, a 4, and a 5. And then fine, but you know, if we do reach that level, maybe we'll reach this level here, which was the 0.786, and after that we're going to make an A, a B, and a C. So that would imply that maybe we're going to buy higher than the price it is, or maybe at the same. Let me just go and check. And these are all just projection, right? So if it goes back to 0.5, you buy about at the same level that you are now, but at least you will have 5-way up, and maybe allegedly 3-way down. Maybe it's going to be even cheaper. Who knows? But that's that's something you need to decide your strategy. So Lido is the same. Solana, honestly, is the only one I think that for the moment didn't really move. Or did he? Let me just check here. So Fibs, you know, very mild for the moment. And yeah, it's moving on the side, honestly. Still undecided if you want to join the party or not. We shall see. And PYTH also is waking up. So this could be another A, B, C for a wave 1. This was a 2. Let me see if it does work out. So this would be just the beginning of this third wave movement. Barely, you know, it didn't even touch the 0.5. And now he is challenging the MA50. And gosh, that PYTH needed this impulsive or, you know, awakening. I'm not even talking about impulsive, but this awakening, it looks like now is doing something, challenging MA50 at least. And is this working out? I don't know. I do have a leverage and I am in negative big time, but this was more you know, a long stretch. This is my 649 of this cycle pretty much. And yeah, so if we can get to manage to 30, let's say 32 cents, then I could call this 1, 2, and that would be a 3. And then after that, if it does that, then fine. On the fourth wave, maybe I'm going to accumulate more, get ready for the fifth one, and then just remember I do have some already that I purchased way lower. So for me, I mean, I could get some here or wait for a pullback. I'm going to check now how it's going to develop the price. And what else? Are we very happy? Also, that's another one that yeah, it's looking good for a moment. Once again, ABC for a 1. This was the 2, very shallow again. It looks like now he wants to go for this third wave. Let's see what could be the level. That's top of the 1, and this was the bottom of the 2. So once again, you see a lot of work to do. You need to get up to 31.87 to make it a real decent wave 3. And you can see that now I can adjust these little guys here. So I was saying wave 1, wave 2. Actually was pretty accurate at the end. And this should be the 3. And eventually a 4 and a 5. And you can see that also, you know, Bitcoin, fine, you know, it's like, it's awakening. But altcoins, I think they decided to say, you know, maybe they said, enough, it's enough now, it's our time. And Fire, Phantom also is having a nice awakening. It was meant to be. So this one, short term, at least it's breaking this downtrend. And yeah, so it's but nothing crazy. Would be amazing. I mean, even if you go back to the 66 cents, it's just going to go and yeah, more likely get rejected to the MA 200. after that pull back, and maybe there it's where I'm going to accumulate more. I think Phantom also, I had a very heavy position on long leverage, and I had to reduce and take some loss. I still have some, so now they're recovering a little bit. So on the next pullback, then I think I'm going to scoop back in and increase my position in leverage. And this is how it is, right? It's a risk management. All right, don't want to make too long. 15 minutes, that's long enough. So just keep in mind, do not FOMO. This is a very green day, so you know, time to buy it was when it was very red. On a red day, green day, you enjoy the ride, you install some not sell stop limit, but taking profit limits, and maybe even partially taking profits. I mean, if you took Gala and you bought it here, who's going to say that you're crazy if you're taking profits a little bit today? I mean, 5% of 44% or 50%. Yeah, why not? Yeah, okay, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.